Charging mode of battery. First, XAGB13970S Smart Supercharge Battery On or Off Method. 2024B13970S battery is applicable to complete series of XAG agricultural drones above model 2021. When the battery is off, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the battery level indicator lights up, indicating the successful power on. When the battery is on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the battery level indicator is off, indicating the successful power off. Second, charging mode. The battery can be charged with CM13600 charger and auto supercharge station to meet the charging needs of different scenarios. Charging by auto supercharge station. Before charging, place the auto supercharge station gently at a flat, open, and ventilated place. When using the auto supercharge station for the first time, you need to add engine oil and gasoline at first. To add engine oil, you need to unscrew the oil dipstick, take out the oil funnel, and add 600 ml SL grade 10 watts-40 engine oil, and then fasten the oil dipstick. To add gasoline, you need to unscrew the gasoline tank cap at first, add 15 liters of gasoline, and tighten the gasoline cap after adding. If gasoline accidentally spills when adding, please wipe it clean with a dry towel in time, and wait until the spilled gasoline has been completely evaporated before starting the device. After adding the gasoline, check whether the fuel cock is turned on. Check the oil sensor, oil dipstick, and oil drain screw to see if there is any oil leakage in these 3 places. If there is any oil leakage, please fasten it in time. Otherwise, it will cause a lack of engine oil and the engine will be damaged due to overheating. Start the auto supercharge station. Before charging, first connect the port of supercharge station to the battery cooling tower. Then insert the battery in shutdown mode into the battery cooling tower and connect it to the port of supercharge station, and finally turn on the battery to prepare for charging. Before use, make sure the emergency stop is in the pop-up state. After confirming that the emergency stop is in pop-up state, press the on or off button to turn on the supercharge station. The green running indicator indicates the start of charging. There are 4 methods to turn off the supercharge station. Method 1, turn off the on or off button or press the red emergency stop, and the auto supercharge station will be powered off immediately and stop working. Method 2, if the smart battery is fully charged, the auto supercharge station will be automatically powered off and stop working after idling for 1 minute. Method 3, if the smart battery is turned off during charging, the auto supercharge station will be automatically powered off after idling for 1 minute. Method 4, when there is insufficient fuel or engine oil, the supercharge station will automatically shut down. Precautions during operation of supercharge station. When the device is running, please do not touch the cables of the supercharge station, the controller, and the muffler to avoid electric shock or high temperature burns. Do not lift or move the device while it is running. Wait until the device stops running completely before it is moved. It is prohibited to modify, disassemble, or reassemble the device. Otherwise, the user will be solely responsible for any accidents resulting from such modifications. It is prohibited to use this device to charge next to a vehicle, inside a vehicle, indoors, or in a closed place with poor ventilation. Please keep the connection port of the supercharge station clean and dry, and avoid metal objects and liquids from coming into contact with the conductive contacts of the connection port. The device is not waterproof. It is prohibited to use running water or other liquids to rinse the supercharge station. It is strictly prohibited to expose it outdoors to the sun or rain. When using this device for charging, please ensure that there are no flammable or explosive articles around or within 2 meters. When the battery is being charged and powered on, it is prohibited to plug or unplug the charging plug. Make sure to power off the battery before plugging or unplugging. Charging by CM13600 charger. Connect one end of the power cable to the power input port of the charger, and then connect the power cable plug to the power socket. After the power indicator light of the charger turns green, the charger is started. Add appropriate water to the battery cooling tower, and then fix the charging plug of the charger to the battery cooling tower. Place the smart battery into the battery cooling tower, connect it to the charging plug, and then turn on the smart battery to start charging. Precautions for using CM13600. It is prohibited to refit, disassemble, assemble, or reassemble the charger. For any accidents caused by the above operations, it shall be undertaken by the user solely. Before daily use, regularly check whether the charger charging interface, power cable plug and socket, and other components are intact and not damaged, kept clean and free of foreign matters. It is prohibited to leave the charger outdoors to be exposed to the sun or rain. It will cause the decrease of the device's transmission power and the short circuit, and the device will become unusable. Please stay away from flammable and explosive articles when charging. Meanwhile, also make sure that someone is watching during the charging process. For safety, when charging, a distance of at least 30 centimeters shall be kept between 2 batteries, or between a battery and a charger, to avoid the malfunction of the charger or the battery, and even serious consequences such as fire due to overheating. If repair or replacement is required, please stop using it immediately and contact your dealer in time.